In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, hello everybody, how are you doing? We'll be doing great. By the mercy and grace of Almighty Allah, my name's NA Saqib. I'm your Usman to IELTS trainer. Additionally, we're also teaching the students of spoken English for the last 20 years at the platform of Genius Institute, Lahore. Dear friends, my today's lecture would be about IELTS Writing Task 2. You know, it is an essay, and in essay there are three different parts. Part 1 is the introduction, part 2 is the body, and part 3 is the conclusion. In introduction, you start with writing your background statement, and then the thesis statement, and then the outline statement. Actually, these three sentences are important for writing an effective introduction. As far as the body is concerned, there must be 2 or 3 body paragraphs. So it depends whether you're going to write down 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs. But for writing body paragraph, you need to write a topic sentence in the beginning of each paragraph. So this topic sentence is the first sentence of main body paragraph, which is often known as the topic sentence. Now the question arises, what's the significance of this topic sentence? It is significant because it's a demand of the examiner. If you are looking forward to getting 7 or 7 plus band score in writing module, it is actually in line with the band descriptors of the 7, 8 and 9 band scores. So examiner wants to see this sentence because your whole body will depend on that topic sentence. So the topic sentence tells the reader, or in case of your IELTS, it tells the examiner what the paragraph is about, and the following sentences in the paragraph will also provide examples and supporting ideas related to the topic sentence. Because when you are developing your body, you start with the topic sentence and you have to develop the ideas, and you have to give the supporting sentences to your topic, and you have to elaborate it with further giving an example. So the paragraph, it starts with the topic sentence. Actually, there is a continuity of that same subject or the theme of the topic sentence, in which you can have the glimpse in the example and the supporting ideas. Now the significance of the topic sentence in the body paragraph is the same. What is the significance of thesis sentence in the introduction? Because the thesis explains what you're going to write down in the entire essay, and the topic sentence explains what you're going to write down in the whole body paragraph. Now, actually the thesis, as you know, thesis statement or thesis sentence, it tells the it tells the examiner or the reader about the position you have taken or the opinion you're going to present in the introduction. So, my dear friends, how should I write a topic sentence? What are the frequently used words? How the sentence can be made for writing a very comprehensive and ideal or effective topic sentence? I would say that you can use is, might be, could be, plus noun phrase or noun clause. So if you have the combination of these things, there could be a wonderful building of your topic sentence. As far as its examples are concerned, let's review some of the most important examples, how this sentence can be made. Actually, by using these words, which I told you right now, you can build your topic sentence comprehensively. Now, I will give you the prompts, and then I will make sentences by using those prompts, and you will come to know how the sentences are being made. It will be kind of exercise for you, or a kind of you know understanding for you guys how these sentences can be made. A kind of drilling exercise to be more exact. So the prompt one is advantage free higher education. If you've taken the prompt from the question itself. So the prompt is advantage and free higher education. Now, how are you going to make down the topic sentence by using these words? One of the advantages of free higher education is that it allows poorer people to study. That's it. As I told you that you would use is, might be, could be, etc. for making topic sentences. I've also used is in this sentence. Now, I will revise this sentence. The advantages of free higher education is that it allows poorer people to study. That it allows poorer people to study actually is a noun clause. It's introduced by the use of that. So actually when you use these noun clauses, it gives an indication as if you're making the sentences complex. And it's an ideal example of complex language. It will benefit you, or rather benefit your grammatical range and accuracy, GRA, for getting a higher band score. So complex language is quite important for giving an indication to the examiner. You are good at writing various structures with the help of complex language. Now, I'm going to give you the second prompt, and the keywords would be effect and global warming. So these are two keywords. That's my second prompt. Now, let's see how I would make my topic sentence by using these prompts. One of the effects of global warming might be a large rise in sea level, which could cause problems for coastal communities. You would have noticed that I've used might be in this sentence. So it is also in line with my proposed words, how these sentences can be structured. So I will just revise this sentence. One of the effects of global warming might be a large rise in sea levels, which could cause problems for coastal communities. The relative clause has been used here. It provides more specific information, and suggest paragraph will focus on coastal communities in this topic sentence. Let's consider topic sentence number 3 by giving you another prompt. So that's the third prompt. The keywords are cause, rising food prices. So let's make the sentence now. A likely cause, likely means possible cause, a likely cause of rising food prices is that the global population is growing, but the amount of food produced is not increasing in the same pace. Now, I would just repeat it for you guys. A likely cause of rising food prices is that the global population is growing, but the amount of food produced is not increasing at the same pace. Let's consider another example. I'll keep on giving you lots of examples until you get settled in making your own topic sentences. That's the prompt number 4. Advantage online shopping. So these are the keywords. An advantage of online shopping could be that it is very convenient, particularly for people who are very busy. An advantage of online shopping could be that it is very convenient, particularly for people who are very busy. So we'd have noticed how intelligently I've used these keywords or the words of the prompt. Advantage and online shopping. So now the disadvantage of being famous. Disadvantage. The next prompt is, prompt number 5 is disadvantage being famous. Now let's see how I make my topic sentence by using these keywords. These days, a major disadvantage of being famous is that privacy is reduced because the media wants to cover all aspects of celebrities' lives. Again, these days a major disadvantage of being famous is that privacy is reduced because the media wants to cover all aspects of celebrities' lives. My prompt number 6 is, now the keywords effect, high cost of petrol. One of the possible effects of the high cost of petrol could be that food prices might rise. That's what's happening in Pakistan these days. One of the possible effects of the high cost of petrol could be the food prices might rise. That was the prompt number 6. Let me tell you about the prompt number 7, 8, 9 and 10 accordingly or respectively. My prompt number 7 would be solution and problem and heavy traffic in cities. Solution, problem, heavy traffic in cities. So these are the key words for the prompt. A solution to the problem of heavy traffic is, or rather, a solution to the problems of heavy traffic in cities today might be for the government to introduce a fee for driving in city centers at busy times of the day. Again, a solution to the problem of heavy traffic in the city today might be for the government to introduce a fee for driving in city centers at busy times of the day. Prompt number 8, negative effects, children watching TV. So these are the key words. Now let's make the topic sentence. A negative effect of children watching TV is that they are becoming less active than they were in the past, and this is bad for their health. Again, a negative effect of children watching TV is that they are becoming less active than they were in the past, and this is bad for their health. Now, let me give you another example. If it were the prompt number 9, benefit, school sports. So these are the key words or the prompt words. A benefit of school sports is that even children who are very inactive at home will get some exercise at school and so be healthier. Again, a benefit of school sports is that even children who are very inactive at home will get some exercise at school and so be healthier. Now my last prompt would be like this. The prompt number 10, advantage of online learning. Advantage online learning. One advantage of online learning is that people who are working can study at a time which suits them. one advantage of online learning is that people who are working can study at a time which suits them. My dear friends, a topic sentence actually captures the essence of your paragraph. That is the essence of your paragraph, the topic sentence. It tells the story to the examiner. What are you going to write down in the rest of the paragraph? Because it will also have a sort of association with the sporting ideas and the examples being given. And it also sets the tone for the rest of the paragraph. Because the rest of the paragraph will be depending heavily on the topic sentence if you are looking forward to acquiring 7+ band scores in your writing module. So you can say that it forms the backbone of IELTS writing task 2. So it's the backbone of your paragraph. So the backbone of your IELTS writing task 2. I hope this tutorial would have given you a lot of confidence for writing topic sentences. You can easily take words or select words from the question and use them as prompts and make your topic sentences quite easily and conveniently. My dear friends, I know it would have helped you a lot, and you would have also written all these sentences for your further practice. I'll reappear with another brand new video next time. Until then, God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.